We got hard.
Reach out, alright.
Okay, yeah, fair. Alright. Go on back in on the bar. My lad. Where are you them?
Where me up to? My intentions and actions are clear enough. I set up a housing project up on the top of the hill and I support the local business, just like we are doing now. But you, we don't know where you up to.
I don't know if my offers where you was.
We don't know if you having no business on the top of the hill, but you're being on a place a circle every minute.
Your place. Your place. Radcliffe, let me tell you something. You don't have no place at top in Brother. You try to business up there. But at my place, so don't get it twisted.
And that's why you shut down the project. No, that's why you conspire to shut down the project.
Me? You're the wrong person, brother. It seems to me, I'm not just the people them whom you did not disrupt them, but all the reptile too. I should have done the reptile. Yeah.
King, you really believe that your old time style of badness still relevant today?
But no, it's not relevant. That's why they are rolling way there again. Because one time, girl, there are dozen of me attend dog them. Some big long gonna run out by you. And your friend them. Yourself. But as you said, that a whole time badness. As long as it never displace people and create problem for the foundation people there.
Elevate me and elevate the people that are oh, I hear that. Elevate me and elevate the people that are you and your friend Carlton are just going to keep them in a poverty so they can play God and give them handouts. The worst than the politicians.
That is it. Well, yes. Me no see the need to continue the conversation. As word on the street is, never shut down the project because they find a guano out there. Plus the land and building agency found a number of violations. So what's your style? You need to find them people there and plead your case. And just leave my place.
3 times. 3 times I come up by Hilltop and find myself up in a place. And a little after that, then find 4 lizards up there. Not even 1 or 3, 4. A nice, even number. And now, I'm about to lose 450 million.
450 million. Come on, Radcliffe. You can't juggle that back in here. You're starting off at you name any name, dog.
And also people lose their life for less than that.
For real. You know, say, if me never know better, me that thing say, threaten
Me, threaten you, all the time, bad man, we shut down Germany, till them have the same name. King. For real.
You see right, this is the French thing and then just walk and just stop like you talk to somebody inside. And they just walk out. For a little language. Yeah.
On the road again. I can't wait to get on the road again. Mr. All is back home.
You're on the ground again.
Again.
You see, me have a right to do business in Moya just like anybody else. Love the intensity there.
Whoa.
Oh, you got?
I'm not stop no progress business. As long as it now go. Sorry.
Me, now stop no progressive
Business.
business. You see, as long as it now disrupt people's life, displace people. Yeah.
Displace people and create problems for the foundation.
Yeah.
People in.
I don't want to use
People
people.
too time.
Okay.
Displace homeowners, use us and citizens. Yeah.
Displaced citizens.
Right.
And
get rid of the foundation people. Right.
really like what me hear is right again.
I will
Me
not
not
stop
stop
no
no
progressive
progressive.
business.
What?
As long as it now go
displace
displace
the citizens.
Disrupt.
or create problems for foundation people.
Cool.
Them. Search years ago. Search years ago.
Adapt it as such.
Rolling. Action.
Well, fam, me nah stop no progressive business person from coming. You see, as long as it nah disrupt or displace the citizens and make things uncomfortable for the foundation people then, they good.
That's it.
And then,
Yeah.
I elevate the people in my hilltop. You and your friend Carlton Wallace want to keep them in a poverty so only can play God and give them hands out. We're no worse than the politician them.
Think you have all of that? I elevate the people, man.
I'm trying to elevate it.
The people
Elevate,
the people in my hilltop.
You and your friend
Friend
Carlton Wallace
want to keep them in a poverty.
poverty and give them handout and then play God. Worse than the bomb buckler and politician and customer.
Cause a bad one.
Rolling. Action. Elevate me and try to elevate the people on the top of the hill. But you and your friend Carlton Wallace want to play God and give them handouts. Worse than the bomb buckler politician and the customer. Brother. Cut.
Yeah.
Hey.
Alright, King, you have a piece of land.
Give me the light.
And that you say? Well, hear this. Me not see the need for continue the conversation here. Cause word in the street is never shut down your project because them find iguana out there. Plus the land and building agency found a number of violations. So watch your style here. You need to find them people there and plead your case and leave my place.
Go on, more time.